Hey guys, I'm Matt Mead. I'm the visual storyteller of BombBomb, and today I'm going to talk about how you can make an effective product demo video quickly and easily. Often product demos are done live in person or with video conferencing, but time doesn't always allow for that. So when your prospect doesn't have 15 minutes to talk but still wants an overview of your product, that's when demo videos come in. There are a few things you need to consider. First, what type of video is this going to be? Is this going to be an evergreen video that you can send to anyone, anytime, or is this a personal one-to-one video? An evergreen demo video is one that you can send to multiple prospects at any time. And it doesn't need to be a highly produced video. It just needs to showcase your product in a way that resonates with your core audience. Don't just highlight features, tell a story. Send out evergreen videos to prospects, giving them a high-level overview of your solution and how it helps them with their problem. Have a balance between showing the features and how they work and your face to deliver a specific value proposition. If you're using BombBomb Screen Recorder, you can show your screen and your face at the same time or toggle back and forth. All right, now let's talk about one-to-one demo videos. Like the evergreen videos, these don't need to be highly produced. They just need to be effective. Sending a one-to-one demo video to someone that you've already had a discovery discussion with allows you to show them specific features that apply to them personally. It's important to keep your audience's attention by highlighting features that you know they care about. It also needs to speak to their specific pain points and how your product can solve those pains. So let's talk about your office setup. Make sure that there's a light or lamp in front of you providing plenty of diffused light on your face and that there's not an overwhelming amount of backlight coming in. Even more important than your video quality is your audio quality, so make sure that your built-in microphone works well enough. If it doesn't, grab a pair of headphones like these and use the built-in headphone microphone. Or you can buy an external microphone like the USB Rode mic or the Samson Meteor. I recently put together a video on setting up your home office for recording videos, so if you want more information, go check that out. Another quick tip, when you're recording your videos, make sure that you're making eye contact with the actual lens rather than the image on the screen. That way, when they watch the video, it'll look like you're making eye contact with them. That's it for now. Let us know if you have any specific questions about how to create an effective demo video. And make sure to check out our Salesperson's Guide to Video. It's a free guide you can download. It has a ton of information and different ways you can use video in your sales process.